Alright, let's see what this other box has. There's something loose that goes up and down. I think I need to sharpen my knife again. eBay make you buy packing for a box. Hate that. Yeah, I still don't know what that is. It's a very short generator cover. Oh, this is a panhead cam cover. That's why it's so short. I figured it out. I was not as stupid as I look sometimes. Chrome plated, yeah. Hate that. That's terrible. So many chrome plated get Harley plates. That is nasty looking. See how thick this is right here? It's aftermarket. There's no damn way this is Harley. And that is some crappy ass chrome. That is terrible chrome. Hope I didn't pay too much for that. It's definitely highly corroded through here. Yeah. That's reproduction crap. It's kind of crap you get from Taiwan Teddy. Looks like this. Yeah, look how thick these are. The Harley ones are way thinner. Well, there's one right here. There's a repop knucklehead one right sitting next to us here. Just grab it up out of here. So see how this is a reproduction here, which is a little bit thicker in stock, but see how thick they look there? See the difference? These are a lot thicker than this one. The difference right through here is way thicker through there. Bulky. Ugly looking. This is a 4-fin panhead looking one, so that is one nasty, nasty looking cover. So let's go see what we can do about fixing some of these problems here. It's leaving chrome all over the place. Let's go test out my blaster. Go over my B blaster over here. That's it. Hit me in the head. Hit me in the face with the camera. Camera's loose. Okay, so we're gonna go over here and work on the blasting machine. So we're gonna give us a quick blast over here. Knock off some quick stuff, see what it looks like. And trilling stands are dangerous. More noise. Yeah, it gets quiet, turn that noise off. Okay, so here's what it looks like now. Now you can see how bad the corrosion is. See, the chrome doesn't come off very easy. You gotta peel it off. Garbage. So here's some of the corrosion still left. You can see how deep that is gone there. This whole surface is gone. 1/8 inch down. Look at that, it's bad. So this has to be all welded back up and re-machine it to make it usable. It's bad. So you see it's pretty corroded all the way around. The chrome's flaking off. It looks like pure crap. It's one crappy looking cam cover, that's for damn sure. So why would you buy something that looks this bad? You want to get bleeding from bad chrome, you can. That stuff pokes you everywhere. So the reason you buy junk like this is you make tools out of them. See, this has new bushings in it. We're assuming they're near on center where they belong. So now you take this crappy cover, you bore these holes out there in here all the way through. On this one, this one, this one, this one. And then when they come out this other side, you can actually use this as a tool for alignment. So when you're working on a case that needs a lot of work, like this piece of crap, you've got hole locations. You'll know where to put these holes at. So it gives you something to go. So if you got a bad cam bearing hole, like say this case is all broken out here, this thing's all welded up in here. Of course that never happened on a Harley, right? So if you have this cam cover on the bike, you can indicate off of the bushing right here. You'll put this on the motor, and you would have access to the bushing because this cover had the hole cut right through here. And then you use that as a jig to center up off of that. That would tell you exactly where the center line of that cam's supposed to be. Take this cover back off without moving anything, or we zero it out like I've been here. Then you can go ahead and bore it on center right back where that cam is. And it would match this cover. Now, is this cover going to be the same as a Harley cover? I don't know. Would I rather cut up a piece of crap like this or cut up a nice, good, genuine Harley cover? I'd rather cut up a piece of crap like this. So that's pretty much what I bought it for, just to use as a tool. Now, otherwise, you have to strip all this chrome off, and you see how the blaster doesn't really want to take it off. That's because it's beads. If you had sand, it'd come out easier, but this stuff is just peeling up like crazy. So I could use this cover if I wanted to, but I pretty much bought it as a tool. I knew it was bad when I bought it, so it is what it is. You don't always buy good parts when you're trying to do stuff with Harleys. But anyway, so that's what I did. That's going to be a tool.